So ethers, let's talk about ethers, ठीक है? So they are classified into two different categories, simple या symmetrical ethers इस तरह के यहाँ पे, which contain two same alkyl groups या mixed or unsymmetrical ethers which contain different alkyls या phenyl groups. ठीक है, तो let's talk about their physical properties. Ether molecules cannot form hydrogen bonds among each other, resulting in a relatively low boiling point comparable to that of the analogous alcohols. However, the differences in the boiling points of the ethers and their isometric alcohols become smaller जैसे जैसे कार्बन चेन्स लंबी होती जाती हैं तो उनके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स में फ़र्क कम होता जाता है as the hydrophobic nature of the carbon chain becomes more predominant over the presence of hydrogen bonding. ठीक है, they are slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvents because why they are non-polar solvents. क्या कहते हैं solutes. So IUPAC nomenclature of ethers. So ethers are named either by the IUPAC system or by common names. IUPAC system में the large alkyl या R group is taken as a parent molecule and given the last name मतलब suffix, while the smaller alkyl group along the oxygen is used as a prefix and given the name alkoxy. So IUPAC names are not common as they are difficult. ठीक है, सो नॉर्मली आपके जो ईथर्स हैं उनको जनरल नाम से जाना जाता है, सही है। सो द लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन यहाँ पे आपकी है 1 2, ये लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन है, इसको नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे, इसे कंसिडर करेंगे कि 2 कार्बन है तो इसे हम ईथेन बोलेंगे। एंड स्मॉलर कार्बन चेन विद ऑक्सीजन तो इसे अल्कोक्सी बोलेंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि सिर्फ एक कार्बन है तो एक कार्बन क्या कहते हैं, मेथ, ठीक है। सो अल्कोक्सी की जगह मीथॉक्सी होगा. So methoxy is going to come first, methoxy, and then ethane is going to come afterwards. But the common name will be ethyl methyl ether. So it is an ether, वो आ जाएगा end में. Ethyl is going to come first because alphabet में E पहले आता है and methyl is going to come second. So how does one prepare ethers? So पहले तो आपके पास आ गया Williamson synthesis जहाँ पे alcohols with metallic sodium react करते हैं to form alkoxides. An alkoxide ion is a strong nucleophile and readily reacts with alkyl halides to produce ethers. And alkyl halides are heated with dry silver oxide to form ethers. अब chemical reactivity of ethers जो हैं basically they are compatible